So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024. And it's going to be a very straightforward video. And as you could see on my screen, how much money I've made with just 9 visitors, 1 conversion. My conversion rate is 11%, never heard of, and EPC, which means earning per click, which is $24.29. EPC means earning per click. And again, this is never heard of, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it and how I optimized my campaign. And if you watch the video till the end, I'm going to show you keywords which made me money. So please watch till the end. And before we begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So please consider subscribing. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, do let me know over there. So first things first, I'm going to show you exactly the landing page. This was my landing page. Now to create the landing page, it's very easy. I'm going to give you an example on how I create the landing page. And again, landing page, you can use different tools. You can use system.io, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use Thrive, you can use Elementor. Until this day, for me, landing page builder is a tool, so I use different kinds. So over here I'm using Thrive. You can use Elementor for WordPress. So let me just show it to you. Elementor, yeah, for WordPress. You can use system.io, system.io for a landing page. You can use yeah, this one, system.io. You could use this one as well, and they have like free lifetime access. So landing page builder is just a tool. Now what you need to do is, let me just hide this one, right? So let me go hide the header. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, paste it over here, paste it, copy image. Okay, then add the image. And it's very simple. It's all drag and drop, right? Even a fifth grader can do it. I can add the text, I can add the image. Okay, and then you can take your affiliate link and use it. So again, this is my affiliate link. I can just copy the link address and I can paste the link address here and save work. If I open this link, it opens like this. And now when I'm talking about campaigns, so again, I've created a campaign. I'm going to give you an example on how to find the keywords, how to do everything. So it's very simple again. So first things first, go on their affiliate page for that product and they give you all the detail, guys, so you don't have to do anything. You can see the commission, EPC, so they're getting $3 EPCs, but for me, my campaign was optimized, so I was getting a lot more. A low refund rate, so this is really good. You could see desktop, mobile, tablet. If you scroll down, if you're doing native ads, you could use this. You can use email swipes, and the best thing about it is, I forgot to tell you this one, right? So if you open, and again, this is my landing page, right? So now what I do is, again, a secret method. You can literally you can copy this thing and paste it over here, and this can be your headline, but make sure it's Google nowadays is crazy, so make sure it's not claiming anything. So this one looks good, it's not claiming anything, and you can just paste it over here and you can just make this red. And that's how it is. Once you create a landing page, all you need to do is create a campaign and everything's in front of you, right? You have the keywords as well. If I click the keywords, go text the keywords, this is the keywords. Now all I need to do is, guys, create the landing page. So let me just write it down. Let me just write down over here. First one is landing page. You create the landing page. Okay, now the second one is create campaign. That's it. Paign. Third one is make money. Make money. That's it. It's very simple. And also remember, guys, if something is complicated, which means it's wrong. Okay, everything is easy. Don't try to make things complicated. Now I'm gonna show you how you can create a campaign. Now, as you can see, I'm on Google Ads. I created a new campaign and click on sales. I would say website traffic. Once you click on website traffic, continue. Now all you need to select is search. Okay, then name. For me, I'm gonna just name this demo for YouTube. Okay, next, but you can write your name, start new. I would first thing is I would select clicks, and that's it. If you want, you can do set a maximum cost per click, so you can do $1, $2. I prefer just keeping it. I sometimes I just leave it as it is, but sometimes I know if I'm gonna get a sale within under $1, I'm gonna do that. Now I'm not gonna change anything. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna let it be as it is, search network, because there are times numbers don't lie. You need to test, so you would come to know. But just remove display. Enter another location. All the details are given over here, so you could see USA, United. Average is 40 to 85. Right now, all you need to do is just take the tier 1 countries: United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United States. So for this example, I'm just going to take United States, but you could take other countries as well. And if you know French, if you know Spanish, those countries convert as well. That can be at your advantage. Location option, I would just choose Pleasance. Next. Now for keywords, I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna do broad match. I don't care, because once we run, once it converts, then we can focus on certain keywords. Now what do you need to write over here? The best thing is I go over here. This is a browser for, like, if I search over here, it will show me all the search for United States. If you want to do it for United Kingdom, you can write United Kingdom over here. I will just do tinnitus relief. Okay, search over here. Damn, yeah, there are a lot. So I like this one. I like this one as well. Simple method ends tinnitus. You could see this one looks good as well. You can copy the whole landing page. This one as well. So now I know what I'm gonna do is just simply copy this thing and make it your own twist. Okay, I'm not saying copy exactly the way it is. Watch now. Simple method is simple ends tinnitus. Watch now. Simple method ends tinnitus, and then you need to write your own copy. I could say, let me go back. Simple trick, right? So just mix and match. Right, you have all of these things over here, just mix and match. So I would say simple trick ends tinnitus. Try this. I can say try this, try this, this to end tinnitus, right? Again, very simple. You could see the EPCs are 0.59. You're gonna get 1000 clicks, probably, literally, just to give you a calculator, even if you have 2% conversion rate, okay, 1298 into 0.03, right, which is 3%, right? Let me just do 1298 into 3% is equal to 38. Forget the worst case scenario, 30 conversions, and with that 30 conversions into, let's say, average commission is $120, 120. So we will make $3,600 just by spending 771. So if I do the ROI calculator, the first one, how much did we spend? invested 771 and you're going to make around 3600. Calculate, which is an amazing ROI of 47%, 366%, around 366% ROI, which is amazing. So when you're investing $700, you're gonna get $2,800 back. So it's as simple as it is, right? Now put your URL. So for me, I'm going to do just, I'll put this URL right now, for example, yavarkhan.com. And again, if you feel I've not explained you properly, I've created a free training. You can join over here. It's step by step. It shows you everything. Just put in your name and email ID. That's it. Now just put your URL over here, your landing page URL, and just publish the campaign, and that's it, guys. This is how you would start making money. And you can use, for when you think about landing page, it's a tool. You can use any landing page builder. When you're talking about tracking, I'm not going to explain you tracking over here. The reason for that is it's just a tool. There's so many tracking platforms, Bmob, ClickMagic, 100 other ones, like tracking tools, like tracking tools. If I search here, there's so many. If I type Bmob, again, there's Bmob, there's Volume, there's so many of them, right? So literally it's a tool. So I'm not gonna cover tracking over here. You can check my free course, and now that's how you start making money. And now I'm gonna show you keywords as well, which converted for me. So now, as you can see over here, this is my tinnitus treatment, around 2%, 286, 426, which is around $500. And it's very simple, right? So if you think about it, if I just do calculator, for me, I was getting 267 into 0.11 is equal to, again, for $29 or $50 or $100, I'm gonna make a revenue of 286, which means, again, let's say, for example, what did I tell you? With like $50, I made $300, right? So in fact, this is much more 500% ROI. But if you increase your spend, obviously the ROI will go decrease. But always try to make like 200% or 100% ROI. If you invest $100, you're gonna get $100 back. So try to invest like that, and it's very simple. Nothing is complicated. And I hope this video was very insightful and with real life examples. And also do check out my free course. You can just go on yavarkhan.com, or the link is down below. Go and check it out. And happy new year. And a lot of people message me on Instagram that, Yavar, you're not creating a lot of videos. The reason for that is, if something is working, I don't want to change it. I don't want to create the videos again and again for the same thing. Currently, I'm not even doing native ads. I'm not doing Facebook ads. Just focusing on search, because that's making me money. I run a campaign every Monday. Like, it takes me, like you saw on this video, every campaign takes me 10 minutes to create. Once that campaign is created, throughout the week I make money. And again, it doesn't take a lot of time from me. I have a family, I have a job as well, which I love. So this is something on my side hustle, where I just give it 1 hour a week, or 2 hours per week, and this is making me consistent money. And I don't even like to bother anyone. And even creating YouTube videos takes a lot of time. I prefer spending that time with my family. So that's how it is. But if you have any questions, just do let me know on comments or message me on Instagram. And that's it. Yavar Khan signing off.